Just a quick video for Pyth. I am bullish on it, and in our group, we've been talking about looking long on this. Now, when we look at this chart, we have a moving averages, ever so small number because it doesn't have much of a history to rely on. And if we make these a bit highlighted, that is our 50 daily EMA. And if we were to pull out another 21s on the daily, you can see that they're all below. So this is a bullish event. Didn't quite test the moving averages. It would be nice if it came down further. I did enter it. I did enter it a few times. One was averaging in, I don't know, somewhere around here. And I did enter here as well. And I actually, before it spiked, I actually entered somewhere around here. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see that. But when we look across, that was our liquidity level, ever so slightly. Took out, whatever reason it went that high, no idea why, but that was a good sell-off, but we still are holding on. Our daily level was our main support, and we can't really use anything else because it doesn't have much history. So you start making assumptions. You can probably say, all right, this level here, where the grey box is, we can say, all right, if that's one, then the 1.618 is fairly high, and I can't use that. So I might just use that as a 0.618 level. Let's see what that gives us. We've still got a long way to go. Now let's see if this has confluence with anything else. None. So we don't really know what's taking place except for just looking at from this perspective. If there's a trend line, it's broken it. It's a bump and run strategy, and it looks like bullish. And I was looking for a pullback. Maybe still there might be a pullback to these moving averages. I'm still going to look for long entries if it does pull back, and I'll be looking at these moving averages as a means of support because the golden ratio here is accumulated from this here. If that's our 1 and that's our 0, we still got this golden ratio 6.8. So it's a nice level to go long if this was to pull back. At the moment, we don't know, but I am interested for any pullback. This was early, and I still like the fact that if we look at this level and you use your fixed volume methodology, we have our VAH, SPOC, and value area low as well. I do still want to see if price was to come down. I want to see it either tap this, go below it, and then regain it. That will be my long signal, or tap this and align with these moving averages, and then go along. So if I see it come down past this level and then regain this level, this area high, if it was to go below and then regain, that is a good signal of strength, and I'll be looking to go long. What's taking place here is could be a bull flag of some sort. This wick actually makes it problematic, but having said that, we are still looking for long-term bullish gains because the market is still early stages to go wild with the bull run, and this might be that was the bottom. I think that was the bottom. I don't think we're going to see that again at all. I was averaging in along here and I just kept holding it. I don't know what I did here, I can't recall, but I'm still leveraged long here now with margin. So if it does drop here, this is my level of interest because this is the volume of concentration. So that should be a nice volume along with 618 Fibonacci. So yeah, that is the area of interest to go along, and then we'll see what takes place. I still feel like Bitcoin will go sideways, and as long as it goes sideways, we potentially have the alts ramping up. There could be a case here where this is our buying climax and this is our base, and then we have this range, and we might just hit a Wyckoff type of scenario and then up. So this could be a shakeout phase. If this was to come low, that will be a nice base entry, and then accumulation, just like Bitcoin, I suppose, ranging for a while, and this might just do the same. I'm going to leave it at that. There's not much else to talk about, just a theory, and the moving averages along with the golden ratio makes it a good point here to enter long. Otherwise, just wait to see if price goes up. Take if it was to go above that, I'll take it as a shorting position because, as I said, this is likely to be a reaccumulation structure. I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon.